Did you know that a 20 foam roller could replace hundreds of dollars in massage therapy sessions? Get ready to discover this game-changing wellness hack. When money's tight, self-myofascial release through foam rolling offers an incredibly cost-effective solution for muscle recovery and pain management. This simple tool works by applying pressure to specific points on your body, breaking up knots and adhesions in your muscles. As you roll, blood flow increases significantly, delivering essential nutrients to tired muscles while simultaneously reducing inflammation. Scientific studies show that regular foam rolling can improve your range of motion by up to 30% and decrease muscle soreness by targeting trigger points. The secret lies in its ability to stimulate your nervous system, enhancing neuromuscular efficiency, the way your brain communicates with your muscles. Just 5 and 10 minutes of daily rolling can provide lasting relief from chronic tension and improve overall muscle function. Ready to transform your recovery routine? Drop a comment sharing your biggest muscle recovery challenge.